Hi guys, thank you so much for watching Saving Money with Mira. So if you are here to see about the diaper deals that'll be going I put together a diaper deal for the 5 off of 25 Dollar General sale that they do every digital coupon that they provide for every Saturday. So I've used up all of the gain coupons and all the good coupons on these two accounts that I normally use. So I'm running really low on diapers. So I thought I'd throw together a deal for everyone to do if your baby can use Loves, or you know someone who can just use some diapers and they're not brand loyal. Thank God that I am not brand loyal. My son can wear whatever. So I threw together a diaper deal. But it's not just diapers. You can pick up paper products. This is a great week to pick up paper products at Dollar General. So you can pick up paper products and laundry products all in the same WAP, okay? So follow along with me and I'll do my breakdown. Okay, so if you are new to Dollar General, meaning you've never shopped there before, you never used any of their digitals before, you would need to download the app and create an account. Okay, so if you create an account, you're going to make sure that you download the following digital coupons in order to do this scenario. Okay, so I have you picking, well, first of all, before you clip any other coupons, you need to make sure that you download the 5 off of 25 off of a $25 purchase on digital coupon. Okay, it is going to look like this. Okay, so once you've clipped the 5 off of 25 digital coupon, you're going to pick up the following items. Okay, the Tide Pods, the 12 to 16 count is going to be on sale for $4.94 this week. The Tide Simply detergent is going to be $2.95 this week. The Suavitel fabric softener is going to be $3 this week. The Scott paper towels and toilet paper are 2 for $8 this week. And the Loves Pampers are going to be priced at $6.50. So you're going to that you download the following digital coupons, okay? So first you're going to download the $3 off of Tide Pod digital coupon, and this is for the 12 to 16 count. You're going to make sure that you download the $1 off of Tide Simply. This works for the pods or the liquid. You're going to also download the $1.50 off Suavitel digital coupon. The 2 off of 2 Scott toilet paper or tissue. You can buy the tissue or the toilet paper or both, okay? And then the $1.50 off the Loves digital coupon, okay? So, I'm just going to show these items in case you need to write it down or screenshot them so that you can have it. Okay, so after all of the digital coupons come off, your total should be before taxes $11. Okay, so I know that you might be thinking, that's a little much, but anytime you can get paper products and diapers and laundry detergent in the same deal for really cheap, I think that's a great deal. So if you've got $11 or after taxes, it might be somewhere around $12, and you can run in the store and pick up laundry detergent and fabric softener, paper products and diapers. I think that you're winning. Okay, so if you really like this deal, or if you would like to see more deals like this for the 5 off of 25 at Dollar General, make sure you like this video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel to follow along to see all of the diaper deals that are going on at your local stores. Okay, thank you so much for watching Saving Money with Amir, and you guys have a great weekend.